Hello, I'm Craig and I'm Tool Room Supervisor at JJ Churchill. My main role here is to organise the tool room workload, make sure everything's done on time and to a good standard for it to go out on the shop floor and onto the machines for production use. Every job's different, every job needs different processes, using different machines, materials, and it's nice that it all comes together at the end to something that has a purpose. I think the fun behind it all is machining. It's to get a raw block of metal and put a cutter through it and you get all the swarf coming off it. It can be quite fun to really give it some, and at the end of it you come out with a part that's got a function and a purpose. We've done stuff for like Eurofighter engines, so that's quite a good project to be part of. It's mainly aeroplane compressor blades, so when you look into an engine you'll see the blades, and we make them. We're a small team, but a lot of tasks are done individually, so we tend to have different parts of the job to do ourselves, and we all come together at the end and build it up to complete the job. My apprenticeship was done on manual tool room milling, which was over a course of 4 years, and had to do various tasks to complete that apprenticeship. I think it's the ever changing variety that you get, because like I say, there's people who are constantly driving for the best. You've got to keep up or you get left behind, so you're always on your toes. I wanted to be more practical. I wanted to be making things rather than sitting at a desk writing reports. Well, I think the natural progression for me from this point of view is to go into design. At the minute I'm working closely with the designers and making what they design. It'd be nice for me to make that step and actually design things myself. If I was to give any advice, I think it would be to do a lot of research into what you want to do. The engineering is vast, there's so many different career paths that you can go into, so it's key to do a bit of research to begin with, so that you know you're going down the right path and that the job that you end up, or the career you end up with, is what you want to do.